So what I also want you to understand is we're looking at these things is that we're evaluating the whole job structure. So how is our job structure, all those job evaluation points, how is our structure matching or not with the market? So it's about the structure, and it's not about any individual particular job. So we just need to make sure that our internal structure works for us. We're happy with it, that it makes sense strategically for us. Okay, so that's the important part. So if we do a little exercise, regression equation, and this is a practice, this is extra, it's not what's going to be on your homework, but this is the regression formula. So here we're going to assume that our y-intercept is $60,000. The slope is $15.60 per job evaluation point, and we have 575 points. And so we want to predict the salary. That's why we do regression, is so that we can predict y, which is our annual salary, based on x, which is our job evaluation points. So this is the data, and this is our formula. Predicted salary equals $60,000 plus $15.60 per point times 575 points. Our predicted salary then is that $68,970. So explain pay level policies. Again, thankfully, HR professionals are not complicated. Market lead policy is just that. It says, we know what the market is paying, and we feel like we should be paying more. We really need to attract and retain the highest level of employee that we possibly can for this pay structure. And remember, you're going to have different pay structures for different types of jobs. But for this particular, let's say you're an engineering company, and so you need those engineers. That's going to be critical for you. So you would pay them more. You will lead the market for that pay structure. Market lag policy. In this case, you're going to pay less than the market because it's an important job, but maybe it's not the most important job, and that skill set is readily available in the market. You're comfortable that you can lag the market or just match the market. That's a really easy strategy. Doesn't really require a whole lot of thought. You're going to keep people coming or not. It's good, but they could also leave you because they can get the same someplace else. In that case, right, what's really important are the things that compensation professionals don't control, such as good management, a good environment, making sure people have the things that they need. All right, I think that's all I want to say on that. So here, based on your answer, predicted annual salary, $68,970, what is the predicted annual salary if the company has a 20% market lead policy, meaning you're going to pay 120% of the market? And what is the predicted annual salary if the company has a 15% market lag policy, meaning you're going to pay 15% less than the market for that particular job? And that's what we have here. And the answers are $82,764 and $58,625. This last piece just says, think about your strategy. Remember, we got mission, vision, objectives, strategy. Think about your strategy as an organization and which pay policy overall might be best for you. So cost leadership strategy, what do you think? That's right. That would be a lag. Differentiation, innovation, top-notch employees, probably a market lead policy. And then the last thing here is about this pay mix. The mix says we've got our wages, but that's not all we have. We have a lot of other things. Short-term incentives, long-term incentives, benefits, So each organization has to figure out what their mix is going to be. And again, it's by pay structure. So if you've got sales professionals, you might have their base wage at 40%. And their incentive wage, if they meet certain pre-agreed upon goals, is 30%. Whatever it might be, you do it by pay structure or type of job, right? Okay, so I think that might be it. All right, guys, well, thank you so much. And I look forward to chatting with you again on Chapter 8. Thanks so much. Bye.